Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit video clips in DaVinci Resolve 18. Alright, so to edit video clips, basically you can't edit what you haven't imported. So before editing, we need to import the video clips that you're going to edit. So to import the video clips, come to this import button over here where you see the plus sign. So tap that, or basically right click on that. So after right clicking on that, basically come to the folder where your video clips are. So in this folder here where the video clips are, I'll select a video of my choice. So let me select this one here. Then after selecting it, basically I'll come and tap on open. Alright, so when I've opened my video clip, let me reduce the volume a bit here. Okay, so I can basically play this video clip. As you can see it, this is how it looks like. Alright, so basically if you want to do any editing within DaVinci Resolve, the first step is to come and drag this video clip. Then when you drag it, drop it down here in the time frame or in the timeline. So drop it there. Basically it's just like dragging and dropping. So after dragging, drop it there and wait for it to load. So it has finished loading, basically, as you can see. So right now at this point, when it has finished loading, you are able to do further editing from this point. Okay, basically, as you can see, if I want to add something, let's say I can drag this, you can drag this, then put it at the point where you want to add basically an effect or a text. So in simple terms, let's assume I want to add an effect as part of my editing. I just come to effects here. Then when I come to effects, basically I'll choose an effect. So let me choose this one here, then tap on the plus icon. So when I choose it, basically it will go there. Okay, so basically I'll come to this effect that I've chosen. Now I'll just enlarge it a bit so that you can fill the whole video. Okay, so let me play the video again and you see the edit I have made through it. Okay, so to play it, I'll put it back here. Now let me play and see. Alright, so I think you can see the effect within the video, guys. Okay, so as part of editing in DaVinci Resolve, basically you can edit depending on what you want to edit. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. If you found value in this video, please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet in the next video.